Hi children, in previous videos we learned what are numbers and how we use in our day-to-day life. In previous problems we learned how to apply addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in numbers. What are these operations generally called as, like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division? All these four things are represented using a single word. Can you guess? I will give you a clue. This word is used by doctors also. Hope you got the answer. Well done. It is nothing but operations. We do 4 operations in numbers. But will we do only these 4 operations, or do we have more than these 4 operations? Yes children, we have more operation than this. But as we are all kids, we are learning only these 4 operations. We cannot do all these 4 operations at a time without any rules. We should have certain rules when all these 4 operations come together. If you are alone at home, you are the king. You will set your own rule and you will do your work. But if you all come to the school, all children together, we follow certain rules. We should stand in line, we should maintain silence, we should keep our lunch bags in an order, all tables and chairs should be neatly ordered in class. So, order is much important in our day-to-day life. So, what is the order to be followed when we deal with all these 4 operations? It comes with a single word called BODMAS. I believe you are familiar with this word, but then let us have a recap. What is BODMAS? BODMAS is nothing but the hierarchy we give for all these mathematical operations. You are familiar with only few operations that I have shown you. We have more operation than we know. Okay. Now the order here it is. B stands for brackets. We do have different types of brackets. Now we are in higher secondary. Till class 5 you are not familiar with such brackets. From now onwards you are introduced to 3 different brackets. What are they? Common bracket. Okay. Square bracket, which is in the box type. So we can call that as box bracket or square bracket. Then last one somewhere curly now, so it is called as curly bracket. What are the 3 types of brackets we are going to see now? We are going to practice common, square and curly brackets. Now O stands for order, power of. These 2 things we will learn in next class. Next class in the sense class 7. Square root, square, all these things basically you may learn in 6, but higher order will be in class 7. Okay, let us not worry about that O. Next comes D. You are familiar with division. Division symbol can be used in using 2 symbols. One is slash symbol, another one is classical way of writing the division symbol. Multiply. We use star in systems, whereas X symbol, multiplication symbol while we write. A stands for addition, plus symbol. S stands for subtraction. So, we have to do brackets first, simplify brackets, then divide, then multiply, then addition. At last we have to subtract. Okay. Shall we do few examples now to get practice to all these things? Okay. Are you all ready? Get ready with your pens, scale and pencil and write neatly. Okay. First example. 35 minus 9 into 3 plus 25. How many numbers are there? Yes, 4 numbers are there. How many operations are there? Yes, we have 3 operations. What are they? Subtract, multiply and add. Earlier, we had only one operation in one question. So, we didn't had any confusion which we should do first, which we should do second. But here in this question, we have 3 operations together. So we should follow certain rule to follow the order. As per BODMAS rule, which operation should be done first? Subtraction or multiplication or addition? Yes, I could hear you are saying multiplication. Excellent, children. First we should do the multiplication. So 9 3s are what? 27. Have I written 27 there? Yes. The remaining 35 and plus 25 should be written as such in the next step. Now, how many operations do we have in that statement? Only two operations, minus and plus. Which one should I do first now? Yes, plus. We have to do addition. So, if I add 27 and 25, we get 52. Even that it is right. I have done subtraction first. Both are correct when we have only these two operations in a statement. If we have only these two operations in a statement, you can do either subtraction or addition, whichever comes first from left to right. So I have subtracted 35 minus 27 as 8 plus 25. So 8 plus 25 is 33. Yes, dear children, when we have only two operations, plus and minus in that statement, you can follow either way, but not with all other operation. Okay, hope I am clear. Okay, next let us look at the another example. 5 minus 21 minus 3 divided 9. Okay, here we are introducing one small bracket. What is the name of that bracket? Yes, you are right. It is not called common bracket. First thing, as per BODMAS rule, I should simplify the things that is there inside that bracket. Okay, first I will solve 21 minus 3. So in the next step, I have 5 as it is, minus sign also as it is. If I simplify that bracket, 21 minus 3, what will I get? It is 18. So I wrote 18 divided by 9. So in the next step, how many operations do I have? Only two operations. Do I have minus and plus alone in this operation? No, I have division operation. So I should do division first. Only if it is minus and plus, you can go either way, either minus or plus. Here I don't have any plus. We have division. So you should do first division only. So you will divide 18 divided by 9 as 9. So you get the answer 2. 5 minus 2. So the answer will be 3. Excellent. Hope I am clear with you, my dear children. Now let's have another example. Before that, I would like to share a thought with you. Good order is the foundation of all things. Do you think without orderliness also one can lead to success? Never. One cannot attain success if he is not following the proper regular order. Can we arrange books without any order, like small books first, the big books, then small books? Can it stand for a longer time? Or can I pile up as many as possible? No, if I pile up without any order, it will fall down. Surely it will fall down. We will not have it for longer time. If we arrange it in an order, like bigger notes at the bottom, then smallest, then it will stand for a longer time, like Eiffel Tower. Okay, stands like a monument. So, be order and be good. Now let us look into the problem. (18) divided 1 plus 1 minus 2 into 3 plus 7 into 4 plus 5. Now I could see all your faces. Ma'am, what is this? It's very big expression. We couldn't understand. It's very simple if we follow a proper order. Okay? What is the order we are going to recall now? It is nothing but BODMAS. Bracket first. What are the how many brackets do I have? Only 2 brackets I have. Within one bracket, what do I have? 1 plus 1. Do you know to simplify 1 plus 1? Yes, come on, do then. Similarly, 4 plus 5. What is 4 plus 5? Very good. Now, write all other remaining things as it is in the next line. 18 divided by as it is. 1 plus 1 alone I have simplified and written as 2. 1 plus 1 alone as 2. The remaining minus as it is, 2 as it is, multiplication 3 plus 7 into everything I wrote as it is, and this bracket is simplified as 9. Okay, now how many operations do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 operations. Here I should follow division first. If I divide 18 and 2, I get 9. Multiplication. 2 into 3 is 6 plus 7 into 9 is 63. I do division and multiplication alone. Division and multiplication will go together. Like addition and subtraction go together. Okay. Now 9 minus 6 plus 63. 9 minus 6 is 3 plus 63. So 3 plus 63, you will surely get the answer. Though the statement is very complicated, if I follow the proper order, it makes it easier to get the right answer. Dear children, keep in mind, if I don't follow that BODMAS order also, I will get an answer. But it is not right. It is the wrong answer. Follow the order to get the right answer. Okay, now it's the challenge time for you. Let me see who is going to do with full energy. Come on, children. Take a challenge that you will do it. Are you ready for the question? Here it is. Now, 2 types of brackets are there. Okay, 96 minus 15 divided 3 minus 45 divided 15, then multiplied by 10 plus 4. Okay. Again, this looks something tricky, no? Don't worry, children. I am there to help you. Write 96 as it is, minus sign as it is. First, go in for the innermost bracket. Innermost bracket in the sense, bracket which is inside some other brackets. We have curly brackets outside and 2 common brackets inside. First, simplify those 2 common brackets. Hope got the answer. Hope you wrote it. Let's see whether your answers are right. Let me explain you again. 96 minus 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. This minus sign I have written as it is. 45 divided by 15 is 3. The remaining 10 and 4 I have written as it is. In the next step, I have written 96 as it is, minus also as it is. Now I will simplify this bracket because BODMAS rule says first we have to simplify the brackets. 5 minus 3 as 2. 5 minus 3 as 2 into 10 plus 4. Now, how many operations do I have here? Only 3 operations. Can I do subtraction first? Can I do addition first? No. As per BODMAS rule, I should go in for division, multiplication, then only subtraction and addition. So, I multiply. 2 into 10 as 20. All other things as it is. Now, we have subtraction and addition alone. Here, we can follow both together. Either subtract and then add or add and then subtract. Both are right. But the best way is go from left to right. 96 minus 20 will be 76 plus 4. So 76 plus 4 will be 80. Hope you got the answer. So every day is a gift for us. As we say, each day provides its own gift. Make use of this day. Make use of the shutdown to bring up your talents. Okay, my dear children, make the best use of the time. Have a great day. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Thank you.